Is that a video? See.
Well, there was no one that would make. You can't have her. Wait.
Yes, your 12-year-old sister is using birth control.
Oh! Why did I call you alive?
Stop.
Ah, why are you sitting on my head?
Because you're sitting on my bed. That rhymed.
I was just about to say that.
Abigail, technically that was my bed, so I just had to sleep on the floor.
You slept on the floor
Avery.
last night.
Yeah,
That
I know.
explains a lot.
And why did you wake up in that bed?
Oh, yay! Yay!
Well, me and Avery were trying to fall asleep and we couldn't, so we went downstairs and ate. Then we came back up here and talked.
Ow! I don't like the door that
Yeah.
much. Oh!
Hey, Lauren, get this on tape.
Ow!
Wait, what's going on? I have a...
Avery, what are you
He's dying!
Hit him with this.
I want to see the video.
Are
you okay?